All right, last two practice problems. First, we're multiplying number times number. -12, +6 is -72. And then we have a to the 6th times a to the 3rd. We don't really multiply though, we add. So this is -72, a to the 9th power. Last one, number times number, 35. Then we have a g to the 1st, a g to the 2nd, and then this h to the 2nd out here. So it's 35. I add these g's together to get g to the 3rd, and then there's nothing to add to the h squared, so it stays the same. Final answer. You're going to do your exit ticket, and then you'll do your iExcel skill. Today it's 8th grade BB6. That's going to get you some extra practice with multiplying.